My name is Jürgen Maat. I'm working at the product management team at ETM. I'm looking forward for your feedback and recommendations in the Q&A sessions. Let me know about your impressions about the given contents. Together with my colleague Christoph, we will guide you through the webinar. Christoph, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Jürgen. Hi and hello. My name is Christoph Bremauer and I'm working at ETM at the Marketing and Knowledge Management Group. Today I will assist Jürgen on this webinar. So by the way, what can we do for our audience today?
Join us on a journey beyond SCADA to reporting and compact visualization. SCADA focuses on current state of processes and allows control operations. SCADA systems like WinCC Open Architecture to collect data and store them in an archiving solution. For WinCC OA, this would be the next generation archiver. Reporting and visualization with WinCC OA goes beyond the classic data acquisition. Data needs to be connected to tools outside the SCADA world to be accessible for in-depth analysis and additional formatting and persisting. Let me give an example for critical infrastructure. Water supply. Suppliers need to document the available and used amounts of water in an audit-proof way. WinCC Open Architecture tools provide interfaces to meet such requirements in the well-known open and customizable way. Reporting made easy with WinCC OA. Direct integration of tools with WinCC OA allows easy access to the data model, enabling the user for easy engineering and report creation. Benefit from using tools from the SIMATIC family, which can easily be connected to the open and freely configurable interfaces. Compact visualization with WinCC OA is possible by using dashboards and views. Get most out of the highly flexible and free configurable data interface based on REST when customizing it to meet your requirements.
That sounds great, Jürgen. So let's go into a little bit more in detail.
Right, let's start with Excel report. One of the most traditional tools for reporting in WinCC OA is the Excel report. It is based on the easy-to-use and broadly available spreadsheet tool Excel, allowing calculating numbers and show figures based on WinCC OA data. Data selection tools with deep integration in WinCC OA makes data access easy to use with low engineering effort. The native WinCC OA archive data compression levels are supported and available for post-processing in Excel. Once created, the report can be stored and kept safe as audit-proof documentation of the process values. Templates in the native Excel format are available for direct use or as good starting point for customized reports. Christoph, please be so kind and show us how easy this tool can be used.
All right, let's take a look on the prerequisites and requirements. Excel report is available in WinCC OA since the initial version 3.0. Related to the fact that Excel is a Microsoft product, we have to deal with WinCC OA running only on Microsoft platforms. To use it, an OA license is required. Currently, 2 versions are officially supported. Important here, only 32-bit support. In any case, ActiveX settings must be enabled in the Trust Center. From the user perspective, basic knowledge of Microsoft Excel and VBA skills can be an advantage. If we look on the architecture, the following should be familiar. The implementation is realized by a library, which guarantees the data transfer to Microsoft Excel. The library is executed as a process and held by Excel. This means that the user interaction is completely done in Microsoft Excel through the add-in. Predefined formats and templates can be used, from customized reporting types to generated WinCC OA SQL queries through a wizard. Everything is allowed. Templates can be easily customized, stored in different versions, and executed as a report. In the end, a printable Excel sheet with the ability to make changes on a post-process level is generated. To summarize that in short, Excel Reports is a WinCC OA add-on which is easy to use and supported by predefined templates.